The Adventure of Colorful Fish. Once upon a time, colorful fish lived in a deep blue pond. The fish's best friends, blue, red and yellow, decided one day to look curiously beyond the waters of the pond. Blue fish was determined to be the first fish to cross the boundaries of the pond. One day, he broke through the surface and went out to explore the colorful world. He made new friends while running among the flowers in the forest. With Blue's return, red fish encouraged the other fish in the pond. Together they left the waters of the pond and found a world full of colors they had never seen in the pond. Red fish enjoyed playing games on the green grass. Yellow fish was overflowing with curiosity for the colorful world. He left the waters, taking the other fish in the pond with him. However, while Yellow was walking through the forest, he found a golden nest. Inside was a small, fluffy baby bird. Yellow fish decided to surprise his friends in the pond with this new friend. When Blue, Red and Yellow returned to their pond, they discovered a world full of new colors and adventures. The pond of colorful fish had now become not just their own world, but a world full of colors, games and surprises. The story of these colorful fish tells about the power of friendship and how beautiful a world can be created when differences come together. The colorful fish transcended the boundaries of their pond and understood each other and the world better.